the third edition of Eswatini Arts Summit, which is going to be a 3-day event courtesy of the National Council of Arts and Culture. The theme for this year is creating opportunities for artists.
So we learn from people. It's not the which is a song. We've learned from Abobab Sipo, we learned from a lot of people. It's a mutual, you know? They've got their experiences, they've got things that they do. Keep it balanced. Don't be fooled by we are in the digital world now. Not everybody's there, and it will take a long time.
Thank you.
Bushfire, I'm going to feature this year. I'm Pit Band and
The question is not whether Africa will participate in the global creative economy. The question is how will Africa capture the value of it? By 2030, Africa can generate billions through music streaming and publishing, film and television production, gaming and animation, digital content, and influential economies. But to achieve this, we must invest today in education, into infrastructure, and into digital platforms. Imagine a future where Africa's streaming platforms distribute global content, if we start today. Where African film studios produce blockbuster cinemas, where African music companies own global catalogs, where African AI tools are trained on African languages and culture, where we can actually tell our African stories, and those African stories are digitized and they are kept on digital platforms. And where African creators are not just participating in the global industry, but is a leader of it. And this is not an impossible vision, it's a strategic opportunity, but it requires action now from government, from industry leaders, from platforms like the Eswatini Arts Summit, and from every creative entrepreneur around the continent.
Every center has a budget for my programs. If you go to your nearest center, ufuna bakal Philip, ufuna kwenda comedy night, ufuna kwenda festival, the center should be able to respond to your need. Number 2, kunema associations, arts and culture, every artist must belong to a particular association. Also because there is a budget that is given to every association. The budget is association in a space of 3 months, quarterly. Baniketwa i-budget ya 10,000 ukuze ukuthi bakhone kuba nemhlangano, bakhone travel. Bese kuthi number 3, i-association nangabe seyi-registered arts and culture tonke tintfo setentekile. Natsi tonke tintfo sisho ukuthi sesignable recognition agreement. I-recognition agreement isho ukuthi le association seyingayifaka i-proposal yekuthi ifuna kwenta i-project letsite noma ifuna kwenta i-event letsite. There is also a studio, arts and culture. The studio is addressed in 3 or 4. We have novice artists that have never recorded, but Bafu never record. Bangaya a studio, our studio manager will prepare them for recording, but there must be a minimal fee. Look, so would say the artist lehlabela was even a product.
Umbuto wami wekuqala ubheke kuwe CEO Arts and Culture. Are the council associations selected on the regional on a regional level or nationally?
Ufute ukuthi ke le region bese sikhipha labo chairperson balama art codes. Labo chairperson bema art codes nase bahlangene bakha i-national association. Sesikhweshile kulokuthi ukhanze chairperson na secretary na treasurer bayi corridor yamanzini mbabane. Yabo.
Youth in the arts need to be guided in arts business because most of them get into the arts to pastime. Can an adult mobilize young people to do the arts as a business and get funding from the youth fund?
It's restricted by the age between 18 to 35 years. But kubolekisa kwethu siyabolekisa cooperatives in a group. I think Stakulma in terms of the formation from individual to companies and also groups that's it. But ungaba group but ungaboleki wena iboleke le group but sakuthi ngiyolele liable une-executive staff kulungisa bonke lo ngoba vele siyathanda lokuthi nangabe senda emabhizinisi lanjengalawo kube khona lo mdzala lo takhona to manage and provide clear direction kule business.